Hello everyone, how are you all? Let's we start our second chapter of human physiology, breathing and exchange of gases, right? In this chapter we will discuss the basic concept of the breathing and respiration, human respiratory system, transportation of gases, human respiratory disorder, everything we will cover according to NCERT. It is a very important, very interesting chapter, right now, highly weighted chapter in need, right? So don't miss this lecture. So first we will start the concept of the breathing and respiration, because the maximum students confuse between the breathing and respiration. So let's we start now. Now what is the difference between the breathing and respiration? Breathing is what, beta? Breathing is a continuous process, right? Now breathing is what? Breathing is a continuous process, right? Breathing is a continuous process in which inhalation and exhalation involve, right? Now what is the inhalation exhalation? That is intaking of oxygen from the environment into body is known as the inhalation, and removing of carbon dioxide from the body is known as the exhalation, right? And respiration is what, beta? Respiration is the process in which food material broken down in cell to release energy. Is known as a what, beta? Is called respiration, right? Now is called respiration. फूड पार्टिकल के ब्रेकडाउन होने से जो एनर्जी निकलेगी उसे हम लोग क्या कहेंगे? रेस्पिरेशन. एंड ब्रीदिंग इज व्हाट? इट इज अ एक्सहेलेशन एंड इनहेलेशन प्रोसेस, दैट इज द इनटेकिंग ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एंड रिमूविंग ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज नोन एज अ व्हाट? इट इज कॉल्ड अ ब्रीदिंग. नाउ सेकंड इज व्हाट, बेटा? Breathing is what? Breathing is actually physical process, right? Now breathing is a physical process, right? And respiration is what? It is a biochemical process. This is the next difference, biochemical process, right? Now it is a biochemical process. Now breathing is what, beta? Breathing is a active and passive both process, right? Now it is a active and passive both process. During the inhalation, right, beta? During the inhalation, it is what? It is a active process, and during the exhalation, it is what, beta? It is a passive process. So it is a active and passive both process. And respiration is what, beta? Respiration is only active process. It is what, beta? It is a active process. So this is what, beta? This is a difference between the respiration and breathing, right? Let's we start and discuss the types of the respiration. Now there are two type of the respiration, beta, right? That is a aerobic respiration, and second is known as a anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Now aerobic respiration is what? Aerobic respiration process occur in the presence of oxygen. First important point, right? Now in the presence of oxygen, right? And anaerobic respiration is what, beta? It occur in the absence of oxygen, right? Now so this is a basic point. Aerobic occur in the presence of oxygen, anaerobic occur in the absence of oxygen. और भी हम लोग differences देखेंगे. पहला हम इसका most important example देख लेते हैं, जिससे हमें aerobic और anaerobic का concept clear हो जाएगा, right? Now so what? This is what, beta? This is a glucose molecule, right? Now glucose, it is a 6 carbon containing molecule. Now this glucose molecule broken down into a pyruvic acid, right now, broken down into a pyruvic acid, and it is what? It is a 3 carbon containing molecule, right? And these process occur in a cytoplasm of the cell, right? Cytoplasm of the cell. Now, pyruvic acid form a 3 type of the product beta, right now. First product is what? This pyruvic acid form ethanol, right now. This pyruvic acid form ethanol, right, plus carbon dioxide, and releases energy also in form of what beta? In form of the ATP, in form of the ATP. So in form of the ATP here, approx 2 ATP molecule will be formed. Energy form 2 ATP in form of the 2 ATP, right now. This pyruvic acid form ethanol in yeast cell beta, right now. Where? In yeast cell, in yeast cell, in the absence of oxygen, in the absence of oxygen, right? So these process occur in the absence of oxygen. So this is what beta? This is called a anaerobic respiration, right now. This is called what? This is called a anaerobic respiration. So first of all, this pyruvic acid form first product, that is what beta? Ethanol, right? Carbon dioxide, and here releases a 2 ATP molecule, right now. So it is what beta? It is an anaerobic respiration, because these process occur in the absence of the oxygen, and this is known as a what beta? This process is called a fermentation, right now. This process is known as a fermentation process, and the fermentation is what beta? Fermentation is a 2 type, right now, and fermentation process occur in a 2 industry. That is what beta? That is a baking industry, right? Baking industry, and the second is what beta? That is a weaving industry. Baking and weaving industry. Baking industry is what beta? जहां पर bread का formation होता है, bread का production होगा, right? And the second is what beta? That is a weaving industry is what? That is a production of or formation of alcohols, right now. Alcohols in form of wine, in form of the beers, right now. ये सारा जहां पे प्रोडक्शन होता है उसको हम लोग बेवरेज इंडस्ट्री कहते हैं, and it is a baking industry. So this process is known as a what? This is called a fermentation process, right? Second is what बेटा? अब second product इसका क्या होगा? Second product बनाएगा क्या? This pyruvic acid form lactic acid, right now. Lactic acid, as well as what beta? Here also release energy in form of a 2 ATP molecule. In form of what beta? In form of the 2 adenosine triphosphate. In the absence of oxygen here also beta. What beta? In the lack of oxygen in muscle cell, right now, in muscle cell. So it is what beta? It is also a anaerobic process, right? It is also a anaerobic process. Now the last product is what beta? This pyruvic acid enter into a where beta? Enter into a mitochondria, right? Enter into mitochondria. So in mitochondria, this pyruvic acid releases a lot amount of energy, right now, lot amount of energy plus water molecule, right now, lot amount of energy plus water molecule. Here is what beta? Here energy releases in form of a 36 ATP molecule. What beta? 36 ATP molecule. So this is what? This is a 3 product, right now. 3 product of the pyruvic acid. Glucose से क्या बना? Glucose से pyruvic acid बना, right now. Now this pyruvic acid form what beta? They form a ethanol, they form lactic acid, and they form what beta? High amount of the energy in a mitochondria. So these process occur in the presence of oxygen. What beta? In the presence of oxygen. In the presence of oxygen. So it is what? It is a aerobic respiration. It is a aerobic respiration. राइट। तो यहां से आपको कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया आपको, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द एरोबिक एंड एनारोबिक रिस्पायरेशन, राइट ना। तो मैं क्या कह सकता हूं कि इन केस ऑफ द एरोबिक रिस्पायरेशन, यहां पे क्या होगा बेटा, एरोबिक रिस्पायरेशन के केस में पहला यहां पे होगा बेटा, यहां पे एरोबिक में कंप्लीट broken down of food material occur, right now complete broken down of food material occur, and here releases lot amount of energy, right now lot amount of energy, right, lot amount of energy, that is a 36 ATP molecule. This is what aerobic respiration. यहां पे कंप्लीट फूड का क्या हो रहा है, ब्रेकडाउन हो रहा है, एंड रिलीजेस अ लॉट अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी, इज नोन एज अ व्हाट, इज कॉल्ड अ एरोबिक रिस्पायरेशन इन फॉर्म ऑफ व्हाट बेटा, इन फॉर्म ऑफ द 36 ATP. बट इन केस ऑफ अ एनारोबिक रिस्पायरेशन इज व्हाट, हियर not complete breakdown of food particle occur, right now here not complete broken down of food material occur, not complete broken down of food material occur. So अगर नॉन मतलब कंप्लीट फूड पार्टिकल का ब्रोक डाउन नहीं होगा तो फिर क्या होगा, here releases less amount of energy, right now here releases less amount of energy. तो मैंने क्या बताया था बेटा, less amount of energy is what बेटा, 2 ATP, right बेटा, 2 ATP releases in a ethanol production, right now in a ethanol production, and the ethanol production process is what beta, that is called a fermentation process, right now. And 2 ATP is also releases beta during the lactic acid formation, right, during the lactic acid formation, right, during the lactic acid formation. So this is a difference of the aerobic and anaerobic respiration. यही तो मैंने आपको यहाँ पे बताया, इसीलिए सबसे पहले मैंने आपको ये एग्जांपल बताया, ये प्रोसेस पूरा बताया कि ग्लूकोज broken down into a pyruvic acid, right now this pyruvic acid form a 3 type of the product. One is what beta, ethanol. This process is called fermentation, and this process occur in a yeast cell in the absence of oxygen. That's why it is a anaerobic respiration. Another is also absence of oxygen, process occur in a muscle cell. In muscle cell, this pyruvic acid converted into a lactic acid. Here also releases a 2 ATP. This is also anaerobic respiration. But when this pyruvic acid enters the mitochondria, here releases a lot amount of energy in form of the 36 ATP. Right now, in the 36 ATP. Right. So this is a anaerobic and aerobic respiration. Now, second important point is what? The one important point, and please note this point, beta. What? This is the most important point right now. Note this point. Just 1 minute, beta. Okay. Most important point is what? That is a RBC cell. Right now, RBC cell respire. RBC cell respire anaerobically. Why beta RBC cell respire anaerobically? Because of absence of mitochondria. Absence of what beta? Absence of a mitochondria. This is the most important point right now. Most important point, right? RBC cell respire anaerobically due to absence of what beta? Mitochondria. आपको मालूम होगा, जैसे मैंने बोला, this is what beta? This is a structure of the mitochondria. It is the outer membrane of the mitochondria. It is what beta? This is called a inner membrane of the mitochondria. Right now, inner membrane fold and form a finger-like structure. Right? This finger-like structure is known as a what? this is called a cristae, right? Now this is called a cristae. In a cristae region some hair like particles are present right now, and these hair like particles is known as a what beta? It is called a oxysome, right? It is called oxysome or F1 particle, right? Or it is also known as a F0 particle. मैं यहाँ पे क्या बताना चाह रहा हूँ आप समझो थोड़ा सा. वी आर सेइंग ना माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इज अ पावर हाउस ऑफ द सेल, क्योंकि ये जो आपका F1 पार्टिकल है जिसे हम लोग क्या कह रहे हैं, ऑक्सीसोम कह रहे हैं. दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द ऑक्सीसोम राइट ना, एंड दिस ऑक्सीसोम कंसिस्ट ऑफ व्हाट बेटा? दे कंसिस्ट ऑफ द थ्री पार्ट्स राइट ना. दिस वन इज नोन एज अ व्हाट? दिस इज कॉल्ड अ बेस. This is known as a what? This is called a stalk, right now. This is called a stalk, and this portion is known as a what? It is called a knob or head region, right now. In head region of the oxysome, here the one enzymes are present known as a ATPase enzyme. Actually, this ATPase enzyme is responsible for the reaction for the production of the ATP molecule. तो जो आपका ATP का प्रोडक्शन हो रहा है in case of the aerobic condition में, तो क्या है बेटा? ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ द ऑक्सीसोम. एक्चुअली माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया के प्रेजेंस में ही ये प्रोसेस होगा. बट इन केस ऑफ द आरबीसी सेल, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया absent, so RBC cell respire anaerobically, right now. RBC cell respire anaerobically. Now the next important point, अगर ये anaerobically respiration करेगा तो इसमें एनर्जी का जनरेशन कैसे होगा? सो यहां पर बेटा जो एनर्जी का जनरेशन होगा वो कैसे होगा बेटा? दैट इज आरबीसी सेल, मतलब रिस्पायर ये कैसे करेगा? आरबीसी सेल रिस्पायर बाय आ पेंटोज फास्फेट पाथवे, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ पीपीपी पाथवे. पेंटोज फास्फेट पाथवे, दिस इज द इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट राइट ना. पीपीपी pathway, right? It is called a PPP pathway. So this is what? This is a important point regarding the RBC cell. So RBC cell में क्या होता है बेटा? Anaerobic respiration complete होता है, right? ना, due to absence of the mitochondria. Okay, now steps of the aerobic respiration, right? So the first step is first step of the aerobic respiration. Gases exchange occur between atmosphere and lungs, right? Between atmosphere and lungs is called breathing, right? Or it is also called a pulmonary ventilation. So this is what? This is a first step of the aerobic respiration. Gases exchange between the atmosphere and lungs. This process is known as a what beta? It is called breathing or pulmonary ventilation, right? Now the second step is what? That is a gases exchange occur in between lungs and blood, right now, in between lungs and blood through alveolar membrane. This is what? This is a second step of the aerobic respiration, right? Now after this, the next step is what beta? That is a transport of gases by blood. Because of the blood is the only medium for the transportation of the gases, right? And the next step, that is a diffusion of gases, right? Diffusion of gases by diffusion of gases from blood to tissue. Diffusion of gases from blood to tissue, right? And the last step is what? That is a utilization of oxygen utilization of oxygen by cell for catabolic process, for catabolic process, right? For catabolic process. So this is what, beta? This is a important points right now. So the first step is what? That is a gases exchange occur in between atmosphere and lungs. This process is known as what? Pulmonary ventilation, or it is also called a breathing process, right? So the first step is what? Exchange of gas between the atmosphere and lungs. So this type of the step is known as a what? It is called a external respiration. Right now, this is called a external respiration. And after this, gases exchange occur between lungs and blood. Right now, through alveolar membrane. Now transportation of gases by blood, diffusion of gases from blood to tissue. Now again utilization of oxygen by cell for the catabolic process. So these all type of the steps considered under a internal respiration. This is what? This is called a internal respiration. This is a internal respiration, right?